because we're in the shop, so to speak, I can almost guarantee that these are going to work perfectly. So, yeah. Oh, all right, we got it. Yeah, see, now they're going to work. If it was raining, they wouldn't be working. They go 3 more times before you stuck. Guess what we're going to be fixing today? One, two, three. Huh. Okay. So that's good and it's bad. Shows the problem, at least. Okay, so the way to fix this is with this new board, and it comes with a cover. It was 15 bucks. Alright, this is a T15 Torx bit. Uh-oh. That ain't good. Try a little PB blast. Now this was replaced 20 months ago. And it looks like he just grabbed a whole new junkyard unit and threw it in there. I kind of wish he'd left the original one, because as you can see, this one is rusted. Hopefully I can get that bolt out. If not, we're going to have a problem. Alright, that's a T20. Apparently we need a T20. T20, folks. T20. And a little bit of hot sauce. First thing we need to do is we need to take this plug off. Take that out, set it aside. Some of them have this little retainer clip in there. Mine didn't. I guess I gotta do these too. Looks that way. Probably should have sprayed them. Ow! Let's see if we can get this bottom one. Come on. T20, folks. T20. Okay. We're gaining. It is hot. Hot as hell here. Almost. Okay, you can see what the problem probably stemmed from. So there's crap in there. Now, to get this out, there's little pins right here. I'm going to go get a screwdriver and we're going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle until that comes out. Well, maybe it'll come out. It comes out without it. Okay. Let's go back to the bench and take a look at this thing. And it looks like we should probably clean this up too. It's probably some of the problem. I'll look down. Alright, so the last one I changed prior to this one, it must have been a different truck because the case had cracked. I think it was over here. I'll put a picture up. I think it was over here where it broke. The PC board itself actually corroded between these connections. So I ended up putting jumper wires from here to here. Where you'll see it in the picture. I'll put the picture up right here. If I can find it again. This one, I don't see anything massively wrong with this. I'm thinking it's probably just that connection right there that's giving us grief. But I already have the new board, so we're going to clean that up. I don't see anything wrong with this. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, that hurt. Because I think that might have been the issue. I want to re-grease that gear. The gear on the bottom, I think I'm going to re-grease that as well. Something a little more. This stuff is the bomb. Fortunately, it's hard to let go of. The only thing that takes this grease off is brake cleaner. Ugh. This is my own. I was selling this grease back when I was restoring Model Ts for a living. It is the best wheel bearing grease you can possibly come up with. Unfortunately, I don't remember where I got it, who I got it from, or where to get more. I have a limited stock for my own use. And now I've got it on the wheel I just cleaned off. So let's get that out of there. Oh, this stuff. Next thing we're going to put on here is no-ox. You've seen me use it in other videos. It's a dielectric. I'm going to put it on that plate. It's that green stuff again. Also going to put a little bit on here as well. This goes in here like this, just the way it came out. There's a track right here that this slides into. If you do it right, it should go right in. Yep. Nope, still T20. I don't know why I thought T15, but I did. It's going to be tough. Oh, that's better. I don't think you even need to take these all the way out. I think you probably just slip the cover past this. We took them out. we get this. And done. Let's go find out if they actually work. It is hot. It is hot. Okay. One click on. This is delay. See how long it takes. Uh-oh. Nothing. Okay. Here we go. That one. Okay. Okay. This is low. This is high. We're back on delay again. The longest delay. See what happens. We might have a second problem. Yep, I think we got a second problem. Off. There's one. Well, if that delay is 5 minutes, I think we got a problem. Second position. Nothing. Third. Nothing. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we've got two of these positions on here are dead. Oh, it looks like that might be on the list next. But we get the wipers working back again. This is my wife's truck, so she'll be happy with that. We're all done under the hood. We just got to clean up our tools. What I said before, just in case it didn't come out, because this camera's doing weird things. There's dirt in this cover. Part of the problem. Okay, these contacts, you saw we cleaned those. I think I'm going to keep this one as a spare because I don't see anything wrong with it. The last one broke up in here and I had to put wires on it. Must have been a different truck. This lasted 20 months and I think it was just gummed up. Prior to that, it lasted, let's see, yeah, it's a 98, so over 20 years anyway, 25 years. So now we've got a spare. Knock the dirt out of it. Alright, I guess that wraps it up. Thanks for watching.